Because I'm filming this, mate, and you just happen to be here.
There, film it.
I'm filming it.
You don't need to put me
Well,
in
I'm filming you now, because you're just arguing with me, and you're going to be on the internet.
I'm not arguing.
There are some situations where you might want to fly your drone, or take pictures, or take videos of somewhere where there is another person. For example, if I came here to take some footage of this cairn, this is a memorial to John Loudon Tar McAdam, who was born in a wee village not far from here and laid the first tarmac on a public road right here, just outside of Muirkirk. Anyway, if you want to come and film an area like this, and when you turn up, there's someone here, in this case a workman who's cleaning up the plaque, right? What do you do? Do you walk up and tell him that you're about to film? Will that work? Will he get confrontational? What will happen? Do you walk up and ask him if he minds if you take some pictures and video? What happens if he says no? Or do you stay out of sight and fly your drone to get your footage anyway? We're going to perform 3 wee skits that shows what might happen in each of those situations. So I'd like you at the very end, once you've watched them all, give us your feedback. Are any of these methods acceptable, or should we be doing something else altogether?
Hello.
Don't hello me, pal. You got on with your work.
What I am doing.
Aye, good.
What are you up to?
I'm not up to anything. I'm filming this monument.
Oh, I'll get out your way.
No, well, you can if you like, but I'm going to be flying a drone or in it, and you're going to be in it.
You don't need to film me.
Well, you happen to be here, so you're getting filmed.
Why?
Because I'm filming this, mate, and you just happen to be here.
It's there, film it.
I'm filming it.
You don't need to put me
Well,
in
I'm filming you now, because you're just arguing with me, and you're going to be on the internet.
I'm not arguing.
So another way that you might think could be a good way of getting your footage is to come up to the guy and ask him if he minds if you film this monument while he's here. I mean, in all likelihood, he's going to say, aye, go ahead, okay? But Eddie, for this video, is not going to say aye. He's going to politely refuse my permission, okay? Which puts me in the awkward situation of having to carry on and do it anyway, even despite his wishes. All right, and it will go something like this. Look, I'm a videographer, and I'm thinking that this is quite a nice looking monument. I'd like to take some video with my drone and fly around it. What's up?
No, you can't film here.
Well, if you say it's okay,
I can't say it's okay. I just know you're not allowed to film this. You can't fly drones over it.
Please.
No, sorry, pal. Rules are rules.
Look, it'll only be 2 minutes.
Nope.
Right, so you see there that I'm now in the position where I've asked this guy for his permission. I don't need his permission, but I've tried to do the polite thing. I've come up and I've asked him if it's okay, and he is absolutely refusing to give me the permission that I don't need. So I'm now in the permission that I don't need. So I'm now in the position where I have to take this footage against his wishes. So that's almost as bad as the auditor creating the confrontation. So there's a third method, and it's not ideal, but this method would solve the problem of the workman being upset and refusing permission and allowing me to get my footage. And it's simply, don't come up and ask, remain in a covert area and fly your drone. Get your drone, get your footage, return the drone, land it and go home. And that'll go something like this. Now watch the reaction of the worker who has not been confronted, has not been approached, and hasn't been asked by the drone operator for permission to fly. So there you go, and you saw in that one where the drone operator was nowhere in sight, right? The workman has not been confronted, he's not been approached. He hears a drone, he has a glance up, sees a drone and just gets back to work. He doesn't care, do you?
Nah.
Not interested. What's on his work? The drone operator has had no confrontation. Not great for views, but great for moral peace and being able to sleep at night. So that, although it's not ideal, if you are ever in a situation where you want to film something where there are people, don't approach them like an auditor telling them you're about to film and there's nothing they can do to stop you.
You need to put me
Well,
in
I'm filming you now because you're just arguing with me. Don't even approach and ask, because if he says no, you're stuck.
I can't say it's okay, I just know you're not allowed to film this. You can't fly drones over it.
Please.
No, sorry pal. Rules are rules.
Look, it'll only be 2 minutes.
Nope, nope.
You either have to walk away or do the flight without his permission. Safest way, remain out of sight, don't approach him, and do your filming as quickly as you can and get it away as quickly as you can. You won't be annoyed, he won't be annoyed, and it'll all be done. Okay, if you don't agree with any of this, let me know in the comments. If you agree with some of it and not other parts, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. Cheerio with the now.